today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, Bitcoin was basically just going sideways. But today, finally, I have to say finally, we have some price emergency coming in. Actually, I was posting yesterday here over on Twitter 19 hours ago, Bitcoin breakout trial. Fast forward to the present moment of now, Bitcoin broke out. And the most important question right now, of course, is where is this breakout going to lead to? Are we once again getting a fake out? And of course, what is my trading plan right now in the immediate short term? You can see my trade breaking right now, approximately $100,000 in a profit. Of course, I will talk about what I am going to do trading wise after the TA, after my price targets. Let's go straight into it. And we are starting on the 4-hourly candles. Just quickly here before I'm going in, I have 3 friends sitting here. Of course, the one and only Da Vinci J15, Carl from the Moon, and the one and only Crypto Jack. We are going to ask them for their opinion, their price targets, just after this quick segment here, because what you can see, Bitcoin broke out as I actually yesterday posted, or just like a few hours while I was sleeping after I posted, that this is a good breakout trial here directly at the apex. And of course, now we have to check 2 things. First of all, what is the price target? Let me pull out the most conservative price target possible, just to decrease the likelihood of us getting here effed with this breakout. And you can see that this breakout target is actually very close to the current price, approximately at $20,000 to $20,500. And why is this interesting confluence? Well, let me go over to the daily, and this long line you can see here is actually the daily downtrend we are having basically since April and of March of this year. So yes, we broke out that. Yes, that's beautiful, but we have so much, let me quickly go down here, so much resistance, so important resistance from this downward sloping trend line here actually in front of us. And only if the daily breaks 20,500 with volume support, we can finally get a little bit more bullish on the specific breakout. So that means that this trade here sitting around $100,000 in a profit is still going to be open. I might take some profits at the resistance, but of course, I'm not gonna close this trade entirely. Now, let me know down below, what do you think? Do you think that Bitcoin is actually going higher? Are we going to break the 20,500, which is extremely important to reach the next level of around about $24,000, or is it once again the 100th fake out in a row? Let me know down below, but I also want to know from my dear friends here sitting at the airport with me, what do you guys think, Da Vinci, Carl, and Jack?
Well, I think that this is, the trend's a trend, and so we're heading down. So, and you know, stock markets are going to get killed, and you can see that we're highly correlated right now with the stock market. And whenever there is any kind of event that affects the stock market, it also affects Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's a risk-on, risk-off asset.
I actually think we are correlated to the dollar index, which is, and then the stock markets are correlated to the dollar index also. Yeah.
I think the trend is your friend, and right now, of course, the trend is clearly to the downside. But there is so much support around the previous all-time high of 2017, around 20K, that logically there should be so much support there that we could see a huge bounce. But up until the point where we see some kind of a bullish reversal pattern, we have to remain bearish, in my opinion. We don't have a double bottom, we don't have a big bullish divergence, we don't have actually we don't have any signs that the reversal has started. So in my opinion, it doesn't make sense to flip bullish just yet.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we have a large downwards trending level of resistance from around 50K from, I believe it was March this year, and we still didn't break this, or maybe we are testing it right now. So until we break this, I think it's like 20,400, 500, something like this. Until we break that, I think there's no reason that we're going to go higher. I think potentially a lot lower.
Yeah, I actually have to agree with all of them, at least technically from the charts. And also, when you look at the exogenous factors, everything screams bearish. But if everything screams bearish and everyone is bearish, then everyone who wanted to sell actually already sold. I think for your long-term holding strategy, this bearishness should not impact you, of course, trading-wise. This means you have to be very careful right now. Let me know down below, like this video. I want to get 2,000 likes for every person sitting here, so let's get 8,000 likes on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.